Hello, is your high refresh rate monitor stuck at 60 Hz by default? You can unlock smoother animations and gameplay in just a few clicks. Here is how to do it. Open your Start menu, click on the Settings gear icon and select Display under the System menu category. Scroll down to the related Settings section and click on Advanced Display. Look near the bottom of the page for the section labeled Choose a refresh rate. Click the drop-down menu next to it and select your monitor's highest available refresh rate, such as 120 Hz, 144 Hz, or 240 Hz. Your screen may flicker for a second and a prompt will pop up asking if you want to keep the changes. Click Keep Changes, close the window, and enjoy a much smoother display experience. If this guide helped you, please like this video and subscribe to Tactim for more quick tech walkthroughs. See you in the next one.